Woohoo! Almost I hit it. That was a scary one. What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. We got here today the GEPRC Vapor D6, 6-inch, the long ranger. We got here the True RC Matchsticks 125 millimeter for long range, and we have a battery of 2200 milliamp batteries, and also we have the 6045 props installed on it. 3 parts, 1 question. Can this drone do freestyle? Ready for takeoff? Taylor High School Stadium, 2 packs. Let's send it. Armed, and let's go. Beautiful morning. So here is the question again. Can this drone rip? Can it do freestyle? Well, we're gonna start with, first I'm gonna do a speed test on it. Let's see. How fast is it gonna go? Nice. Lots of power, y'all, lots of power. Let's see how much it flows. 0 power, 0 throttle. That's a lot of floating right there. Not bad at all. I missed that one. All right. I was gonna do a juicy flick. Let's dive some lights here. Orbiting the stadium lights. Juice flick. Trying to push it. So if we can hit this gap here. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do a dive. Nice. Nice, nice. I like it. All right, so the battery is going down. We're gonna go ahead and bring it back and send a new one. Five minutes and 35 seconds of ripping, not bad at all. Second pack, let's go ahead and send it. Already, we're clear for takeoff. Let's go ahead and arm it. Armed, and let's go. Nice. Floating, baby, floating. Beautiful morning, beautiful weather. This is a good exercise for precise flying. Close proximity, precise type of flying. Let's buzz the tower. Nice. Nice on ice. The ground's still wet from the rain. It's been raining for a few days. Buzz in the tower again. Woohoo! Almost I hit it. That was a scary one. But that power, man, that power is there. When you need it, it's there. It's not a joke. The combination, you know, between the big battery that gives me time, the props that's cutting the air, and then the long range antennas that give me the signal. This is just a perfect combination, y'all. It's a perfect combo. Can I do this gap? Yes! I love it. The power is there, y'all. The power is there. Floating, baby, floating. Battery's going down. Let's do a split us here. All right, that's it on the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. What do you think? Can the 6-inch rip? Leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you again for joining me. All right, here it is. What we got this time? 6 minutes and 33 seconds. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, here is the truth. 6-inch can Freestyle, 2200 for the time, 60-45 props for the bite, long range antennas for the signal. 3 parts, 1 result. The secret is in the drone. It's the setup. What combo are you running? Please drop it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next video.